guys, it's been so long since I've made another video. My sister is singing in the background.
Lauren, stop!
I'm playing a game currently. Please don't join me if you are fans. I do not like it. I don't want to be like Mr. Flim Flim. Actually, I do want to be like him, but not like the fan club entirely joining. I just want to play normal games. I'll ask you to join on live streams if I want you to join, but, like, no, not right now. No. It's not like anyone's going to join because I have no fan club currently. I don't even have a group. I'll have to talk with my mom about that. But still.
Make a group, Jimmy. You don't have to talk about it.
Oh, I'm the target. Great. Now it's time for someone to kill me. Little Bastion is the assassin. More like little bastard.
That's a bad word.
No, it's not.
That doesn't mean you should say it. A kid said it, and all the kids were like, "That's a bad word."
It's not.
Okay, if you say so.
You kidding me? He killed me, and now he's running away, and they had nothing to do about it. You dressed up as a guest buster? Buster. I'm the copied version of you. I'm literally. My game isn't loaded. I really don't like that. Ah, there's my avatar. I like my revolver. I'm gonna change my game mode. This better not be some. Okay, good guys. We're currently joining Silent Assassin. Ah! Dude, that is great. Okay, my revolver will two-shot them. That's why I specifically have this. I have a better gun, but I choose my revolver over most guns. So I'm gonna make a run for it. If you stay with the group, you're gonna get targeted. They'll take you out, then your group knows where you are. So it's good to run away. Don't think that you're alone and you can't get help. It's good. That means your teammates won't know where you are when they die. Until the thing has to freaking tell everybody around you that you're right here! And now, then you're dead. Then you just, like, chill out and let them kill you, because you know you can't make it. No matter how much I'll shoot, I won't stop them.
Huh.
Buster, my two-shot revolver will take you out. Guys, we gotta look closely. Go. I think there should be a couple guys right there. Somewhere around there. I don't trust it. Am I shooting her? Is that like enemy? No! That was an ammo box! You kidding me? Guys, I'm not the smartest of players. That's all I have to say. I don't look around or anything. I just play my... If someone picks that up before me, I'm gonna cry. And you don't want to see me when I cry. It's not a happy scene. Nope. Gotta be kidding me. Let's have fun. Players were...
One more time!
I can't... This is hacked. I can't even see where the players are. And this isn't even my right face. Yeet. Can't touch this. Ooh, you're fun. Yeet! I'm faster than you, Buster. I'm way faster than all of you. What the frick? I haven't been filming is because my freaking thing doesn't work and I can't post videos and I had to switch videos because all those other videos were too laggy. And I'm only getting 12 views and no one subscribes to me. Like, come on! Would it hurt to get a little subscribers? You don't have to shoot me extra, you little rat. How dare she? She's a rat. I won't report. Just kidding. I don't report people. My old channel was about Booga Booga, and I played it a lot. Just that it's lost its touch. I can't even get him to talk with Soybean. I've literally always wanted cool items from his game. I've begged him. I've tried my freaking hardest. Yeah, the only way I'm getting anything is because if I spend my freaking money, my mom's gonna be like, heck no, boy! So I'm poor. I'm freaking cornered. I'm on my own, Buster. Stop following me! It's not the game where you follow the leader. Now I'm being followed. By this! It's like the fan club! For Mr. Flim Flim. I turn around and I see this. I'm probably gonna edit the video and make a bunch of people just swarm, but yeah, for now. Can't do that. Nope, that's a zombie and I'm gonna avoid him. It's a waste of my ammo. You only shoot when you have to. Ronaldo once said, if there's a zombie behind you, I don't know. He never said anything. I'm just saying that because I want to look cool and I want to get subscribers. I'm just doing this to troll people and make them cry. You have no idea why I did that. You just come up. Oh, I know. I got clip size ammo, so that's like a good upgrade. Nope. Dude! Why are you all targeting me? What the frick? None of them died. I kept on clicking and didn't do anything. And I doubt this video is even gonna post because my freaking company is like, oh. Nope. Nothing even works every time I try to make a video. Break the van. Why do you make it so... Quit. I quit. Hopefully none of you find out anything about getting in my account. But otherwise, I quit. Yeah, so cool. Stranger Things. Yeah. I play this game. I play a ton of games. Vocab just trolls me. SBC gun. I want some guns. I am addicted to guns. Every game I play is dedicated to guns. I don't have a gun in real life, obviously, and I never will have. I'm a big fan. If I had a chance to get a really epic looking sword over a pretty dope looking axe, I'd pick the really dope looking axe. I like how axes look, it's cool. Comment down below if you think it looks cool. And anytime I say something's going to be in the link, it's not going to be. I'm not good at this. Ooh, my God. Is that dupe in a game with one of my friends? Dude. Look at me, I will do and will succeed. If I don't care. I'll pull down your underwear. Oh, that's dumb. And something else. Look at me, I will do and will succeed. If I don't care. I'll pull down your underwear. Yes. I will do and will succeed. Okay, Duck better not kick me. He kicks me from a lot of his games. He even found one of my friends, Banna, that I thought went to play Fortnite for the rest of his life. Fortnite's dead! Quit! Sorry if you play Fortnite. Sorry to say, I just don't like the game. It's not my type. Elven Blade of Glory. I always carry that with me. There's not one place I'd go without my Elven Blade of Glory. Can you please stop singing? This is what happens when you have siblings, people. what happens? You don't have any space whatsoever. You're not going to get 1 inch of space. Hopefully Duff didn't create all this, because when he gives me admin, I'm just gonna break it.
Bro.
She left.
No.
Something else. Got me.
Spend a lot of time doing stuff for Dup. You would be surprised. Most of my time will be with Dup. Or Valid. Valid, I'm usually testing a lot of. I'm usually finding glitches on his game and telling him about it. So he can get rid of them. That's pretty much what I do. I test things. Dungeon. And YouTube. I'm not trying to spell YouTube, I'll spell YouTube. I'm filming and I will show on YouTube. This is great content. I don't hack. I've only used hacks on one game, and that's it. You can't do that to me. Guys, don't record me. Please don't. If I get kicked from Roblox, guys, I'm blaming it on you, and I will literally do nothing for this channel. I won't do any handouts or nothing if I get kicked from Roblox. You guys don't know how many years of training this took, and it's not funny if I get banned. It's not.